Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'll be showing you all the best features of Moto E40. By the way, I've already posted a dedicated video for the tips and tricks section where I've talked about many things which I won't be covering in this video. So definitely check out that video as well. Link will be in the description. With that said, the most highlighting feature about this phone would be its performance. This phone sports a Unisoc T700 processor with Mali G52 GPU. Purely in terms of performance, it can't be compared with other phones in this price segment, but for a normal user, performance is definitely sufficient. Next, this phone also has a pretty good display. This phone actually comes with a 6.5-inch IPS display, but with 90Hz screen refresh rate, and that's definitely impressive. If you're someone who plays a lot of games on your phone, then you'll really appreciate this 90Hz screen refresh rate feature. Next best thing about this phone would be its battery size. This phone comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, and for a normal user, your phone can easily last you up to 2 days. Even if you're a heavy user, it can easily last you more than a day. Next we have gesture navigations. Now these are the navigation gestures that you can find on almost all the Android phones these days, and once you enable them, you can just swipe from the bottom of the screen to go home, swipe and hold for recent apps, and then you can swipe from the left corner or the right corner to go back a step. To trigger Google Assistant, you can swipe from the bottom left corner or bottom right corner diagonally, and it will trigger Google Assistant. Finally, you can also swipe left or right on the bottom bar to quickly switch between the recent applications. Next, this phone also has the dark theme. You can enable it directly from the notification area or the display settings, and once you enable it, all the system UI elements change to the dark theme. That includes stock applications and even some Google applications. Even some of the third-party applications automatically switch to the dark theme once you turn on the dark theme. Here's a quick preview. Next we have the display related features, starting off with peak display. This used to be a flagship feature for the Moto phones, but now it's also available on this phone. Now once you enable this feature, when your device is locked, you get to see interactive notifications and some quick information. You can briefly check out the time and notifications, battery percentage, and whenever you get a notification, you can dismiss it and do a quick reply or completely remove it. You get to do different kinds of interactions with different notifications directly from the lock screen. So that's peak display for you. Now let's look at some Moto actions. Next we have lift to unlock. Just like the name suggests, you can unlock your device by picking it up and just looking at the screen. Next we have the 3-finger screenshot gesture. Before that, let me just show you how to take a regular screenshot. So to take a screenshot, just press and hold the volume down and power button both at the same time, and you'll get a screenshot. Now as for the 3-finger screenshot gesture, once you enable it, just press and hold 3 fingers on the screen to take a screenshot. After you take a screenshot, you get a preview with some additional options to edit, share the image, or even do an image search. Next we have digital well-being. Now this is part of Google's program, and it just records all your activities on your phone and gives you a complete analysis, like which are the apps that you use most on your phone and which apps are taking up most of your time. It gives you a complete analysis and some parental controls if you really need them. Next we have Bedtime Mode. This is another feature from Google which will silence your phone and change the screen to black and white at bedtime. You can schedule this feature to automatically turn on based on time or when the phone is charging. Next we have Captions. Now once you enable this feature, whenever you are watching a video on your phone, you can get live captions. Now this has nothing to do with the video. Your phone will directly translate the audio from the video and convert it to text and give you a caption. Once again, this is a pretty cool feature. Next we have power button end calls. Now once you enable this feature, you can end the call with just the power button. Just click it when the display is on to end the call. Next we have night light. This is just another name for the night mode or the reading mode. Once you turn on this feature, it'll just put a warm tint on the screen to reduce the blue light emitted by the display. You can also schedule it to automatically turn on and turn off at a specific time. Next we have prevent ringing. Now this is a quick shortcut to enable vibration mode or the mute mode. Once you enable this feature, you just need to press the power button and volume up button together to trigger the vibrate mode or the mute mode. From the settings, you can select the default option. So guys, these are all the features on your Moto phone. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.